Imagine a night when the entire future of England hung on a single spark, and one man waiting in the dark with 36 barrels of gunpowder. This is the real twisted origin of Bonfire Night. Early morning, November 5th, 1605. A chill creeps through the stone corridors beneath Parliament. In a silent cellar, a soldier, Guy Fawkes, stands watch. Not for enemies, but for the perfect moment to ignite a blast powerful enough to shatter a kingdom. This wasn't madness, it was a desperate mission. For years, Catholics in England had lived under fear, fines and persecution. A group of rebels vowed to end it in one spectacular explosion. But the entire plan fell apart because of a mysterious letter, delivered in secret, written in riddles. Do not attend Parliament, for they shall receive a mighty blow. The warning was so cryptic, it almost got ignored. Almost. Authorities searched the depths of Parliament, torches flickering on damp stone, until they found him. Fawkes crouched beside a mountain of hidden gunpowder, ready to strike the fuse. In that moment, the kingdom was saved, not by soldiers, not by spies, but by a single, eerie message no one has ever definitively traced. That very night, Londoners poured into the streets, lighting bonfires to celebrate their miraculous escape from destruction. But the tradition grew stranger. Children made grotesque straw figures, guys, and dragged them around town, begging a penny for the guy. The coins? Used to buy fireworks, to reenact the explosion that never happened. Eventually, those straw figures were tossed onto bonfires, burned again and again. An annual ritual reminding the nation of the night the country almost went up in flames. So, when you watch the rockets burst across the sky on November 5th, remember, you're not just celebrating. You're reliving a night of fear, rebellion, and a plot so explosive it still echoes through British history. Follow for more dramatic stories hiding inside the past.